What is going on, everybody? This is going to be a trade breakdown of what I caught on Monday. Now it's Tuesday, so this was yesterday. This was on the 5 and the 1 minute. This was a very quick trade. This trade lasted, I believe, 4 or 5 minutes, and I made about a little over $2,000. So, can you complain about that? $500 per minute. I couldn't complain. I will never complain about that. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Great trade. Very great trade. If you're confused about why I took this, I'm going to show you. You just mix a couple things together and this is the end result. If you do the same thing every single day, obviously you're going to become more confident. Also, if my chair is squeaking in the background, I'm sorry. I'm big back right now. The bulk is bulking. But I'm not getting a new chair because this cat is destroying my chair. All right. There's a kitty cat in this house, and she is destroying the chair. So there's no point. There's no point. Why should I? If the other one's just going to get destroyed, I'm not going to do it. Okay, so deal with it. If you hear squeaking, that is why. I'm like 210 pounds right now, and this cat is just murking my chair. Anyways, besides the point, this is the trade. Great Monday. Great way to start the week. Today I took nothing. This is Tuesday. I took nothing. I was looking at a trade, but the higher time frame didn't line up with it. Luckily, I didn't take it. The team didn't take it because, yeah. Wait, actually, it's Tuesday. I went live today thinking it was Wednesday because I go live on my one-on-ones Wednesdays and Fridays. That's what happens when you don't have a job, and that's what happens when you're unemployed. That's what happens when you're bummed. Besides the point, this was a trade. I'm going to break it down. It's very simple. To start off, obviously, what are we looking at? We're looking at the 4 hour. I've been looking at this point for a long time. This is the extreme low. This is a low that pushed price up heavily, right? Now, same thing. This is all liquidity waiting to get taken out. This is also a lot of liquidity waiting to get taken out. So what do? We take out bottom side liquidity. We now need to take out top side. This is all AMD. The AMD model. If you don't know AMD, you need to learn AMD. Okay. There's many ways to explain what that is. Am I going to explain that to you? No, I'm not going to. Am I going to explain the setup to you right now? I'm going to explain that to you. Okay. So getting onto the charts. At 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, what I saw was this 5 minute right here. I saw we were pushing down quite aggressively, and I knew that, okay, we are a little bit overextended, obviously. If you're just looking at this chart, you're like, what the hell? Why did you take this? It's gold. It is gold. I know we're not dumping. So I'm taking buys. And this was the last low of solid price action. So I was looking at this. Number two, so number one was bias. Number two was higher time frame point of interest and imbalance. Number three was AMD. Number four is this low pushing past this previous high right here, forming new highs, forming liquidity to the top side. All this needs to get taken out. Number five, I believe we're on number five now, is this liquidity sitting above and resting above our point of interest. Now, going down onto the 1 minute, what we see is this refinement right here. And this is what I refined. It looks way better on the 1 minute, okay? So we have our break. We have more breaks, more highs, and we're failing to make new lower lows. Honestly, this is the last low anyways, so I'm not worried about any of this. Some of you might be getting trapped in all this. You need to go back to the drawing board and figure it out, okay? Some of you might be selling off here. Stop doing that. What are you doing? Stop taking these stupid trades. If you need more help, hit me up on Instagram or just click the link in the description below if you need one-on-one help and accountability and guidance. Whatever you need, I will help you. Don't be scared. Liquidity down here. Okay, so I'm just waiting for price to come down into the zone to take out all these early buyers right here. If you're buying right here, you're about to get absolutely cooked. You're going to get cooked. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Where is it? 3, 2, 1, absolutely obliterated, okay? So we take out all this resting liquidity sitting above our zone. I get my entry. Honestly, my entry was like right here. I'm not gonna lie. More so right here, because it tapped, and I was like, oh, let me get in. It tapped. Jello kind of got a late entry. We're just gonna say it was right here, just for the sake of this video, and it's a perfect 5R, and that was beautiful. It was about a 3R. Anyways, we played out. We target top side liquidity, and obviously the top side liquidity is going to get taken out. Why? Because we already taken out bottom side liquidity. We need to take out sellers. We took out buyers. We need to take out sellers. Overall, what are we doing in the higher time frame? We're bullish. So why are you trying to sell? It makes no sense. If you're selling gold, bro, wake up. Wake up. And yeah, anyways, overall, you want to target that higher time frame liquidity, and there you go. This thing is about to rip to all-time highs again. It's as simple as that. Literally as simple as that. Like I said, I didn't take anything today. I'm going to keep doing these breakdown videos. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, because I already showed how I trade. I already showed how I trade on my YouTube. I can't keep doing the same exact videos every single week. There's no point. So this is going to be the new style of videos. If you like them, let me know. You guys hate psychology videos for some reason, or the ones that I do. I don't know why, because in my opinion, I have some of the best psychological topics and videos. You guys just hate them. You guys just want to see something like that just targets your dopamine levels, right? Oh, he made 2 racks in 4 minutes. Click, 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 click. I'm going to figure out how he did it. Bro, guys, psychology. You need psychology to be profitable. The strategy, any strategy works. If you're in the wrong mindset, you overtrade, you revenge trade, you don't have a plan, like, you're cooked. You're going to be cooked, and you're going to be cooked until you understand what I'm telling you. Okay? Besides the point, breakdown videos are the new style that I'm going for. Like I said, if you guys need more consistent videos and content and more just my life, follow my Instagram at smcjello, the same as my YouTube. Hopefully you enjoyed this breakdown. Like I said, 2 rackies within under 5 minutes. Not much more to it. Like I said, if you need more help within your trading, any one-on-one guidance, hit the link in the description below, or just DM me on Instagram. Hit me up. Alright. Hope you boys and girls enjoyed this, whatever you are. You might not be either. I'll see you in the next video.